Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on Samsung. To get started, ensure your Samsung device has the latest software updates. Gemini is often integrated directly into the Google app or accessible through specific Samsung features like Circle to Search. Open the Google app and look for the Gemini icon or prompt. You might also find it within your device's settings under Advanced Features or Digital Assistant options. Activating it is usually a simple toggle. Once activated, you can interact with Gemini in several ways. A common method is to simply open the Google app and type or speak your query. For hands-free use, just say "Hey Google" to summon the assistant and then give your command. Gemini can help you draft messages, find information, or even control smart home devices, making daily tasks much easier and more efficient. Gemini offers a wide range of capabilities to enhance your productivity and creativity. You can ask it to summarize lengthy articles, brainstorm ideas for a project, or even help you write a poem. It's excellent for quick fact-checking, setting reminders, or getting directions. With its advanced understanding of context, Gemini provides more relevant and helpful responses than traditional assistants, truly elevating your mobile experience. To get the most out of Gemini on your Samsung device, always keep your software updated to access the newest features and improvements. Explore Gemini's settings to personalize its responses and integrate it with other apps you use frequently. Experiment with different types of prompts to discover its full potential for both work and play. And speaking of fresh, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.